Hey, it's Jonathan Tinoco here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what are the things that I do first before I start trading. That's the thing that most of my students are asking, how I set up everything before I go to my trading platform. First thing that I do is I go to bitmex.com and I log in my account. As you can see here in my screen, okay, my BitMEX is not on its default background because I changed my theme. Now, in order for you to do that, you can also change the theme of your account. If I click this white dashboard or white color theme, then it will automatically change. But I prefer to use dark color because I don't want too much lighting while I'm trading. So that's the first step. Second is I log in my Tradingview account. So sign in, log in, and here it is. If you're not yet familiar what this BitMEX is all about, so BitMEX is a cryptocurrency trading platform where you can trade different cryptocurrencies using a margin trading. The basic explanation is, let's say you have a total of $1,000 in your account and you're only using 10% of your fund, which means you're only using $100. If you use BitMEX and you leverage your trade to, let's say, 10x, so it means that you are multiplying your allocated fund 10 times, and that's basically $1,000. BitMEX is helping you to grow your capital to whatever leverage or margin you prefer. So that's how BitMEX works. Now, in BitMEX, there are only 8 different cryptocurrencies you can trade. First is Bitcoin, second is Cardano, third is Bitcoin Cash, US token, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and Ripple. Now let's go to tradingview.com. Now, what is TradingView? So TradingView.com is a website, is a platform where it can help you to chart and to use all the technical analysis so you can predict the movement of a certain cryptocurrency. Here's the next step that I do after I log in my BitMEX account. Now here you can see in the search box, I'm going to type first XBT. What I need or what I'm doing here is I am going to open all the chart of these 8 cryptocurrencies so I can chart them. I can analyze each one of them one by one at a time. And the first one is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin symbol in BitMEX is not BTC, but its symbol is XBT. So before you click that, do not click enter, just click here or this one directly. So that's XBT, and make sure that the exchange that will appear is BitMEX. So click this one. So how to open the chart of Bitcoin? Just click full feature chart, and here it is. So the website will direct me to the chart of Bitcoin. So now the next step that I do is I open all these 8 cryptocurrencies, and the reason for that is I want to see instantly the movement of each chart once I do my analysis, and I have an indicator so I know what's the next movement of the market. Second is Cardano or ADA, but you must put Z because it's the symbol of ADA in BitMEX, so that's ADA Z. So most of these cryptocurrencies, they have Z at the end of the symbol. So ADA Z. So make sure it's BitMEX. So click BitMEX. So click full feature. The next is Bitcoin Cash. So BCHC. So double click or click BitMEX. Then full feature chart. So I'm gonna open all these cryptocurrencies. So the next one is EOS. So EOSC. So full feature chart. Next is Ethereum, so ETHC. So, okay. After that is Litecoin. Sorry, it's LTCC. So Litecoin. After Litecoin, Tron, TRXC. So, and lastly, it's Ripple. So XRPZ. XRPZ. And click full feature. So I'm done. So here it is. I have opened all these 8 cryptocurrencies in BitMEX. So I have Bitcoin. Again, the symbol of Bitcoin is XBT. Second is I have opened ADA. It's ADA Z. Don't mind this charting yet because I'm gonna share that with you in my next video. So the next one is it's Bitcoin Cash. It's BCHC. Next is EOS or EOSZ. Next one is Ethereum. It's ETHZ. Litecoin. Here, it's LTCC. Tron, that's TRXZ. And lastly, that's Ripple. So Ripple is XRPZ. So that's the next step that I do, which I open all these 8 cryptocurrencies in Tradingview. The third one is now I also opened this website. It's called coinmarketcap.com. And the reason for that is I'm only checking the market cap from time to time. Now, why do I do that? It's because if I refresh my screen or this browser, so currently it's 205 billion market cap. So let's refresh that one. Okay, so that's still 205, or that's now 205.1 billion US dollars. If I see a huge movement in coinmarketcap.com, it means that there is also a huge movement in my chart. Let's say I'm out of my computer, I'm not using my computer, and I want to check the market. So I just go to coinmarketcap.com and I just refresh my browser. So whenever I already executed my trade, so there I can see and I know that there's something that's going on and happening in the market. That's what I do first before I start to trade. So I hope this video could help you in your trading. Thanks for watching.